Hello, my name is Carmela Lau, and I'm a singer-songwriter. I've been writing songs since high school, so I think that's more than 10 years. Siguro yun na lang. That's more than 10 years. I started writing songs as school project. I think after college na yun, nakagraduate na ako. Doon ako nag-start magkaroon ng personal songwriting projects ko na talaga. Kumbaga yung hindi mo kailangang i-submit or hindi mo kailangang i-perform sa klase, whatever, ganyan. Yun yung pinaka-start din siguro na nagkaroon ako ng interest sa songwriting. I don't know, before, sobrang awkward when you wrote a song. It's a little bit awkward to share it with your friends or with your family. Nung nag-a-attempt ako sumulat ng kanta nung high school, dahil awkward nga, parang sinishare ko dito sa sister ko, parang sa brother ko, ganyan. Inaasar nila ako, pinagtatawanan nila ako, ganyan. Nag-start ako ulit after college. Mas naging confident ako mag-share ng songs sa iba kong friends, and they were able to, kumbaga, na-appreciate nila. And parang doon ako na-affirm na, mukhang may naka ko for songwriting.
No, I